You won't believe what Little Ray Ray did today.
My yummy. Awkward taco. This moment brought to you by Awkward Taco, the official snack of awkward moments everywhere. Awkward.
Gotta have
Awkward.
Then you press it again. Stop pressing the button.